Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm Adam and I'll take you through the updates for mesh modelling in SOLIDWORKS 2020. The need to directly edit mesh geometry like this STL file is becoming more common. SOLIDWORKS 2020 continues to expand on its already rich mesh editing feature set. Filleting edges is now possible using the same workflow as a native SOLIDWORKS file. You can even change the fillet to a chamfer and vice versa. SOLIDWORKS 2020 now supports more advanced editing tools, which will make it easy to increase the radius of this surface. We'll start by offsetting the mesh and extending the results. SOLIDWORKS 2020 now supports mutual trim operations, as well as knit surfaces, making this change a breeze. It's not uncommon for STL files to be damaged. Running a quick geometry check shows there's an open surface. With SOLIDWORKS 2020, you can now delete the holes by right-clicking and choosing Delete Hole from the context menu, or by simply selecting the edge and pressing Delete. SOLIDWORKS 2019 introduced Delete Face, and SOLIDWORKS 2020 expands the capability to support Delete and Fill, which makes removing features on this part a trivial operation. SOLIDWORKS 2020 gives you powerful tools that make editing mesh geometry familiar and easy.